Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we dive in deep into a topic that is absolutely crucial for anyone who flies or works on modern general aviation aircraft. We're talking about the maintenance diagnostic mode on Garmin's G1000 and G3X systems. If you've ever wondered what goes on behind those beautiful glass cockpit displays, you're in the right place. This hidden gem is one of the most powerful tools at a pilot's or mechanic's disposal, and understanding how to use it can save you a ton of time, money, and headaches. So, buckle up, and let's get into the nitty-gritty of Garmin Diagnostics. First off, what exactly is this maintenance mode? Think of it as a health checkup for your airplane's brain, while your normal display shows you everything you need to fly. The diagnostic mode peels back a layer to show you the health and status of the entire avionics system. For pilots, it can help you troubleshoot that pesky yellow CA's message that popped up mid-flight. For mechanics, it's an indispensable tool for diagnosing issues without having to tear the airplane apart. It's built right into the system you use every day, but many people don't even know it exists or how to access it. Accessing the mode is usually pretty straightforward. On the G1000, for instance, you typically hold down the Int key on the PFD or MFD while powering on the avionics. It might vary slightly depending on the specific installation, so always check your maintenance manual. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with a series of pages that give you an incredible amount of information. You'll see pages for system status, data logging, aviation calibration, and so much more. It's a bit like finding a secret menu in your favorite video game, but instead of unlocking a new character, you're unlocking a deeper understanding of your aircraft. Let's talk about some of the most useful features. One of the first things you'll want to check is the CAS message log, CAS, or Crew Alerting System. Messages are your airplane's way of talking to you. In maintenance mode, you can see a history of these messages, including intermittent ones that might not be active when you're on the ground. This is huge for tracking down those. It only happens when ... type of problems. You can see exactly when a specific alert was triggered, which can help you correlate it with other events. Next up is the AHRS status page. AHRS, or the Attitude and Heading Reference System, is the heart of your glaspinal attitude indicator and heading display. In the diagnostic pages, you can see the raw data coming from the magnetometers and accelerometers. You can see the system's current status, calibration data, and any faults it might be reporting. If you've been having issues with your attitude indicator or heading, this is the first place you should look. It can tell you if a sensor is failing or if the system just needs a recalibration. Another incredibly useful page is the one for electrical loads. Modern aircraft are packed with electronics, and managing the electrical system is critical. This page shows you the voltage and amperage for each electrical bus in real time. You can see exactly how much power each component is drawing. This is invaluable for troubleshooting issues like a flickering screen or a component that's not powering on. You can quickly identify if a bus is overloaded or if a circuit breaker is popping for a legitimate reason. It gives you a clear picture of your entire electrical system's health. For those flying with an integrated autopilot, the autopilot diagnostic page is your best friend. If you're experiencing issues like the autopilot failing to engage or not holding a heading correctly, this page will often point you in the right direction. It shows you the status of the autopilot servos, the trim motor, and all the inputs the autopilot relies on. You can even perform ground tests of the servos to ensure they're moving freely and correctly. It takes a lot of the guesswork out of troubleshooting one of the most complex systems in the aircraft. Finally, let's not forget data logging. The G1000 and G3X systems are constantly recording flight data, and the maintenance mode is how you access and download it. This data can be uploaded to services like Garmin's Fly Garmin website or avionics. For detailed analyses, you can review every parameter of your flight, from engine data to GPS tracking. It's not just for maintenance. It's a fantastic tool for pilots to review their flights and improve their proficiency. For mechanics, this data is a goldmine for diagnosing intermittent engine or system issues. So, there you have it. The Garmin G1000 and G3X maintenance diagnostic modes are incredibly powerful tools. They provide a level of insight into our aircraft that was unimaginable just a couple of decades ago. Whether you're a pilot trying to be more informed about your aircraft or an A&P mechanic trying to be more efficient, Learning your way around these pages is a must. It empowers you to understand your airplane on a whole new level. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this overview helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more deep dives into general aviation technology. Fly safe, and I'll see you in the next video.